Welcome to EngageDeis training. This video will teach you how to add and manage users, as well as set primary administrators for your group. This video is brought to you by the Department of Community Service. For more information on the Department of Community Service, go to brandeis.edu/community service. Once your group profile has been customized, you can now add users, create events, and begin managing your group. First, select the blue Manage button on your group profile page. And this toolbar will allow you to add users directly from this Manage button. However, today I'm going to show you how to add and manage your users from your group dashboard page. So if you're on your dashboard page, on your group profile, you're going to go to the left toolbar and you're going to select Users. This drop-down menu will give you all the options to manage and add your users. To add users, select the Add User tab from the drop-down menu. This first page allows you to add one user at a time. Notice that you can select the drop-down menu under the first and last name to select the member's role. If you use this drop-down menu, you can make the member an admin, a primary administrator, or even a check-in attendant for a group. Your group should be your primary administrator. For example, if your group, let's say this group, Waltham Group, is your group, you would enter whatever you wanted your primary administrator name to be and contact information into the first and last name group on the Add User tab. For example, they wanted their primary administrator to be their board rep, so they would say WG House, and then the next one would be reps. This is what that would look like here on their group's page. And you would want to make sure that you switch their role to the primary administrator and then use the group's email as the primary administrator email. You don't need to add a password or anything like that. You can just scroll to the bottom and select Add User. This ensures that your group page is managed by all board members and/or leaders, and information doesn't go to just one individual's email. Once you've added your group as the primary administrator, you can start to add multiple users. To add multiple users, you can select the top option here. The word here is in blue, and if you select that option, it's going to take you to a multiple user file option. Note that the top three options here, first name, last name, and email address, that have the red asterisk on the side, is the information that you have to have on your CVS file. To import correctly, you have to have exactly this information, and you can also download a template if you want to know exactly what your information should look like. It's basically just an Excel file, and you can download that template, but be sure to enter the information correctly so that your user and member data transfers correctly into the system. You can upload that file by selecting the Choose File button, and you can add your multiple users. You can also, once you select to import those users, it'll also give you an option to message your members, and you can opt in for users to get an email notification to activate their accounts. Once your members are added, you have the ability to message them through EngageDeis. Once you've imported your users, it will create a user account for them, and they will have to select the link that they get via their email and activate their Brandeis EngageDeis accounts. If you want to send messages and/or details about an event or group, you can go back to the Select Users tab on the left-hand side and select Message Members. Note, this messages all the group members. If you want to only message specific members who are participating in an event, you would go to the event and select registrations, and this would allow you to message only members who have registered for that specific event. The final thing we'll cover in this video is how to manage individual users. Going back to that User tab and selecting the drop-down menu, you can select Manage Users, Manage Members, Manage Membership Requests. This will give you an overview of your members. Managing users will give you an overview of each user and their engagement on the platform. Managing memberships will allow you to make changes to member roles. You can scroll down for an overview of your memberships. And the blue action button at the top right will allow you to export information and data about your members and your membership engagement. If you scroll to the right on your Manage Membership page, you should be able to select this little drop down menu on the right hand side, and this gives you all the actions for each individual member. You should be able to message an individual member, add an impact for an individual member, or make them an administrator, a check-in attendant. Any of the options that are available on the side you can alter and work with by simply selecting that drop-down menu. Finally, you can approve or deny member requests by going back to the Users tab and selecting the Membership Requests tab from the drop-down menu. You can select the members and then scroll to the right, and you can select Approve or Decline these membership requests. As an administrator, be sure to select the Manage Requests button and keep an eye on it, as managing your member requests and improving impacts is an important part of keeping your group organized and up to date on membership roles. Thank you for watching this video on how to manage and add users on your EngageDeis group profile. For more information about EngageDeis and EngageDeis training, go to brandeis.edu/communityservice/EngageDeis.